What's up, guys? The weather's really nice. I'm in the R33 today. Yes, sir. So I'm on the way to Fabio's shop. Denise is behind me. She's in her truck. She has the new bumper that I got. I got it about 2 weeks ago, but I haven't had it like fitted correctly so that it doesn't rub on the front tires and stuff, you know. So I'm gonna go over to Fabio's shop right now, and my plans are just to get it semi-fitted to where I can at least just, you know, drive the car with the bumper on, but it's not gonna have like all the little small details. Fiberglass, and it's not gonna be primered, you know. At least I don't think that's gonna get all done today, but Fabio does work really fast, so we'll see. So I took the VLSD diff apart about a week and a half ago, and took it over to Jay over at Trinity Tuning, and he got it welded for me. It feels so much different. It like hooks on demand. I don't know why I didn't weld this diff a long time ago. Also, Fabio put on a manual boost controller, and we're like at around 12 pounds of boost right now. Yeah, dude, you can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel the difference. It's crazy how like 5 extra pounds of boost. Yeah, you can feel it. Seats are back in. I like it. So I'm gonna keep the seats in for a while. I hope you guys can hear me too. I hope it's not like too much wind noise, but I'm excited. Knuckle up this Sunday, guys. I'm gonna be drifting this Sunday at Knuckle Up KU20. So if you're there, you want to ride along, come hit me up. Most of my friends are gonna be drifting on Sunday, so we'll be sliding on Sunday. But yeah, if you're there, you see me, come up to me. I'll give you a ride along. La Denise.
La Denise.
What's up, Eddie? Got the homie Eddie. You already know, Professor. Where we at? Where we at?
Hey, we are in Professor's garage.
Yes, sir. Let him know. Let him know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you got there? Is that for Eddie?
Yeah.
Oh, you changing out the diff oil?
Yes, sir.
That's what's up.
Sir, what we got here? The
This
new
is
bumper?
Duraflex. No, I'm just kidding.
How are you?
Good, and you?
You gonna put that fan shroud on yours?
Yeah, but I try to order a new clutch fan.
Look at Macy running.
He's like a little dog.
I know.
I tried to order a new fan and clutch fan, but they didn't
The
have
fan
any in
blade?
stock. Yeah,
Is-
and the fan.
You checked on GK?
Well, yeah, I can buy one. They're just not gonna be here in time.
Check on GK Tech. I mean, yours is fine. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah,
It's a little scratched up, but it's cracked.
Yeah.
It'll still hold. You're good. Where's Mishi?
Yeah, Papi Mishi.
Oh,
I don't know what he
Mishi.
did. Look at it. He
What'd
had
you do,
mustache.
Mishi? Oh, he's a mustache. Oh, he licking under the car or something. So we're over here with Fabio right now, and we're about to we're gonna try our best to try to mount the front bumper on, but there's still a little bit of work that needs to be done. Fabio, what are we about to do, Fabio?
Man, we're gonna try to fix this headlight. It's kind of like...
It's still moved over some, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you see the other side,
This
one
one's a
is
little
like
bit better. This is still the wrong hood, though.
I know.
Yeah, this is still the wrong hood.
That's why it's not the same, but if you see the line here...
Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah.
I mean, to be more clear, we're gonna do the measurements here. There.
We're gonna measure and see how
Here
far
you
off
have like 43.5, right? So let's check on the other side. Just a reference. We have like 44 here. So like I said, half inch.
I think.
So we're gonna take out the headlight from here and pull this one, because you can see it's a little
It
bit.
still has a little bit of.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to pull it just that half inch.
To make a big difference.
I mean, half inch is kind of like a lot of difference, but you will see it. The power of the hammer.
No, hold up. I just
Are
got
you
that
recording?
headlight.
Okay, let's go.
I just got that headlight. Hold
Oh, okay,
on.
my bad. We have to take it out first.
Yeah.
Alright.
You like that? The little custom
Hell yeah.
coolant reservoir?
I mean, it's useful.
Oh, yeah.
Let me cut that shit. Custom reservoir. Sponsored from Real Lemon.
Real Lemon, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep. I still don't know when I'm gonna really have take the time to really try to leave this front end, you know, as close to as perfect where it was. I feel like I'm always in a hurry, you know. Right now I'm trying to prep for this Sunday knuckle up, and we're just trying to like hurry up and do something real quick, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe sometime down the line, maybe when we finish the 240, right?
Which 240?
The 240 in my garage.
Your 240?
Yeah, maybe when I finish the 240 and I'm drifting the 240, maybe then I can really dedicate this one to just cruising, daily driving, you know.
Yes, sir.
What do
So
you
I'll
think,
see
Fabio?
you all in
Maybe then.
2 years?
About 2 years. Damn, what's it 2 years now? We're pushing for 4 to 6 months.
That's a good time.
Has to be done.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna be driftable, you know. I caught your secrets.
Sir, don't tell anybody.
Now the whole world's gonna see. Ah, I see now.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. See, kids, this is like RWB, but not RWB. Bolivian style RWB.
Kinda.
R33 GTR, what? What? Yeah, take the R off. But an S. I know what you're doing.
Yeah, vamos a mantener el huevo acá.
Yeah, I know what you're doing. Te estás comiendo de adentro, de acá, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
De aquí, nomás puedes cerrarlo así.
Yeah.
Ah, mira pues usted.
Mira, pues, maje.
Mira pues usted sí sabe.
Mira, pues, maje.
Yeah, I see what you did. Smart guy.
Where put the bolts?
Oh, they're probably under the... I think they're over here somewhere. They're right here somewhere?
Yes, sir. You are right.
Smart guy.
You are not the bottom.
Basically, he ate up. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, sorry.
He ate up from the inside part, from here, so that he can keep this same piece right here. I thought I was going to lose this piece, but... I just saved $150. See? Come to Professor's Garage. He'll work on your car and he'll save you money at the same time. He'll spend money and save money.
So now we can cut here, we can save
Oh.
the wall. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Putting on the fiberglass now. Fabio ended up just, you know, cutting off. Basically, like, you know, he made a cut like this. Oh, where's it at? He made sort of like a cut like this, and he took out like a big chunk so that it could close back up. And now he's gonna fiberglass it back together. So it's gonna look good. Good job, Fabio. Appreciate you, bro.
You're welcome.
And it came out good. Only thing now is just some primer, and he's talking about painting it black, but man, look at that, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look, before it was sticking out all the way over here. Oh, you okay there?
Everything is okay, no falta nada.
So the car now has GTR headlights. So now I actually have these replacement lens. I couldn't use them before because I had the GTS or whatever they were, other headlights. But now I'm using the GTR headlights. So I'm gonna wait until everything's fixed really good again, and I'm gonna replace those lenses so they can be brand new. Might even retrofit some halo projectors in there. But look, guys. Perfect. So yeah, you already know, man. Look, he don't play, man. Right hand drive, I'm telling you. In other words, people trust him with their cars. You know, when you see stuff like this in a body shop, it's because you know it's good work. It's good work, man. Check it out. So I'm just saying, I'm just here to show you. That's all I'm doing. If you need some body work, you need some paint work, you need some good mechanical work done, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description. So check him out. Great job. Great work. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. It was fun. I'm tired. I know he's tired. Yeah, we were tired. I know where to find them on the Instagram. Professor's Garage.
Or my private account, Professor C31. Yes, sir.
Peace out, people.
Peace out.